Hi, welcome to TechTricks. Today I will show you how to clear the RAM cache on your Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. Open Task Manager. Go to Performance tab. Right now you can see around 3 GB cached memory in my computer. Alright, so this is a lot of space that has been occupied. And if I want to free it out, then there is a very simple method you need to follow. You need to open this website that is RAMup, which is a Microsoft product that is totally safe and very small in size. Click on this link to download the file. File is downloaded. Open this file in a folder. You need to extract the file. You will see all files are been extracted. Now here you will have look for rammap.exe. The one with the highest size of 662 KB. Open this file by running as administrator. Click on Agree. And this kind of small window is open. Alright, what I am doing here, I'm dragging this task manager window in left hand side. And this application in right hand side. That I can show you what kind of difference it makes. You have to click on empty option. And then click on empty standby list. And once I click on it, you will notice that a cached memory is going now. Let me click on it. And now you can see it came to around 103 megabytes instead of 23 gigabyte. Keep this RAMup application on your computer. And whenever cache memory goes high, you can come back to this option, click on empty and click empty cached item.